What's up guys, in today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change the background on your new iPhone. If you're looking to add some personality to your lock or home screen, I've got you covered, so let's begin. First thing first, unlock your iPhone and head over to settings. Now scroll down a bit and tap on wallpaper. Here you'll see your current wallpaper and the option to change it. To add a new wallpaper, tap Add New Wallpaper. You'll get a few main categories: photos, people, and more. If you want to use a photo from your gallery, simply choose photos. Now, just select the image you want. You can adjust it by zooming in or out, and even add filters if you like. Once you're happy with it, tap Add. You can now choose whether to set it as your lock screen, home screen, or both. I usually like to match both, but it's totally up to you. And that's it. Your iPhone has a fresh background and you're good to go. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.